What type of business? So are you still going after the same type of businesses as customers, or has that opened up?
That's it's not really changed because the same business is still there. It's always there. The even to what's being phased out now, but to your bare basic milk bars, the business is still there. It's just about how you trade up every year. Mm-hmm. It's like, you don't swap one customer out for the other. It's about, okay, if we lose one, let's go and get three. Yeah, and you're always losing while you're gaining, and we've just become better at not losing as much.
Why do you lose customers?
I think loyalty goes out the window sometimes. Yep. Yeah.
So is it a price-driven thing?
Price-driven, yeah. We're in a game of a lot of cowboys and Indians out there, and, you can source product from anywhere these days. You can buy it online. And your game is your customer's game is a full. It's just a margin game. Everything's a margin game. It is down to the cent sometimes, and that's the sort of business we don't say no to, but you kind of lose interest in dealing with sometimes. When you're haggling for a cent on a unit, it's like, come on, mate.
Yeah, if you have to constantly battle your customers, that's the last thing you want to do. You want your customers to be bought in and they're happy to pay because they know they're getting the value.
That's it, yeah. And we know the value of our brand. We know the value of our product. We know that we're not going to sell below what we believe the product should sell for, because then you run into pasteurization, and that's a whole other level of difficulty to try and get yourself out of. Mm-hmm. Once a product becomes pasteurized, you've got no control over your price anymore. You've got no control over your distribution. You don't know where it's going. You don't know where it's coming from. You have people supplying your customers, and you supply them, and
and as soon as you get that, at the end of the day, what you get is shortages because the incentive disappears, and when incentive disappears, you get shortages. Simple. It's the same.